Okay, tonight I'm going to show you how to upload an MLA document. The first thing we're going to do is go to Microsoft Word and create a new document. When the screen opens up, we're going to select blank document, or you can just hit the regular document button. Again, I'm doing this on a Mac, but the directions I showed you in class today on the Windows computer were pretty similar. The first thing we're going to notice when we go to layout is you're going to see that the margins are not correct unless you already set them the way I told you to yesterday in class. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the normal, which is the 1-inch margins all around. And just to check that, you can go down to custom margins and you'll see that everything is exactly as we said. We just want to mirror the margins. And the last thing we can do is you can save it as your default, which means every time you open up Microsoft Word, it'll always have the 1-inch margins. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and change our font to Times New Roman. This is very easy. All you have to do is type it in, it pops right up. And I'm going to create my heading and I'm going to create a student, let's say Christine Smith. And we're going to put my name down, spelled correctly, English 9R, and we'll put her in the A period class, and the day this assignment is due, which is the 5th of October, 2014. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in some random keys just to showcase the double spacing that's going on. Now you can write yourself some real words, or you can type just whatever you want. Once we're done with this, we just need to double space it, which is very simple. You can just go to this drop down menu and hit double, or you can right click and hit paragraph. And then you can see again, zeros all around. Don't add spaces between paragraphs of the same style. And it says double. Hit OK. And the last thing we need to do is we need to do our running header. Again, there's lots of ways of doing this, but the easiest way is to go up to the top menu, hit insert, page number. Make sure it's at the top of the page and on the right-hand side. Make sure for sure that it says show number on first page and hit OK. If we double click up there and we turn the font alignment to the right-hand side, we're going to put the last name. It's not my last name, it's your last name. So in my fictional student Smith, I'd write Smith and 1 and close it. Now I would just go save this document. Again, I go to save as. Here you can do what we did in class today. Instead of saving it as a Word document, you can save it as a template. That way, every time you open up Microsoft Word, it will go to this document and you can just change the information for the teacher and it will be there. But for the assignment, we're going to save it as a Word document. So if you're using Pages or any other word processing other than Microsoft Word, be sure to save it as Word format. Once we save it, and as soon as it comes up to the top, we know the file is saved, and we're going to jump over to our internet. I'm going to use Firefox. It seems to be having the best luck lately. So we'll minimize this. We'll bring up Firefox. From what I was told, Firefox has been working properly as far as with the username and password. Some people have said they can't see a way to log in when they open up internet. So if that's the case, you can hit the search button, and the search button will bring you to a login page where you'll see a little lock icon and the word login, and that's where you would log in. Now, of course, from here on out, you're on your own. Your username, again, is the year you graduate, the first 3 letters of your last name, followed by the first 3 letters of your first name, and then your password, your 795 number, which can be found on your schedule. When you log in, you're going to go to your classes, open up the English page, open up the homework assignment, and then click Submit My Homework. If you did it the way I just told you, you're going to browse your computer for the file, attach it, and you'll be set. Or if you use Google Drive, you would go into the Google Drive, attach the file to Google Drive, and then submit it that way. This should be pretty easy to do, and hopefully everyone will do this. And good luck and enjoy the rest of your weekend.